YouTube. This is the Darkcraft 17.0 outload beta count out, and I have tutorial for you in their portal. This is a tutorial. We have no space here. Let's break this. Let's see another here. I have tutorial for you. Let's see. In their portal. And in their let's build this. First, put face to face here, face here, face there, face there, face there, face there, face there, face there. Face there, face there, face there, and face. It's easy. Put again here, face to face, here, 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 that. Okay. You have that ender portal. Make sure you go to settings and go to video. Make sure you're on the fantasy graphics, and you go to the portal. Let's go. Let's get a sword. Let's inside now. There you have it. There's the Ender Dragon. And thank you for watching the Darkcraft, guys. And see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for more video. Bye.